Well, another scrap wood or pallet wood project, if you will. Gonna make a little bed. This is the bottom of a pallet, full piece. What I've done so far is out of that pallet over on the bandsaw. First of all, I don't like to run big long lengths through. Can't get a straight edge. Cut these to length. Let's see. Didn't have a plan. I think we cut these 18. Yeah, 18. And then 8.5? 8? No, wait a minute. 8. 8 on those. These. Got those mixed up. Came off of here. So all that's coming out of one board so far. These are going to be my sides. Then we, on a piece of paper, I threw the paper away. I don't know if you can see it. The top design. In order for me to get these to mirror, I'm not that great on the scroll saw, so I just did one side. Came down, traced one side, flipped it, did the other side, and then for the bottom here, all we're going to do is just do the top. So that's pretty straightforward and easy. Then we'll just cut these all out. I'm just going to use, well, let me try on the jigsaw. If not, you could just bandsaw these. Probably be easier way to do it. Let me try one with the jigsaw. I'm not giving myself enough room. Now, I'm going to cut some mortises for these. We'll be back. Here's a little trick of mine. keeps it from flying across the floor where I'll step on it later. Stop recording. Some scrap for the inside to hold the slats. And I'll try to show you what I'm doing here. Same thing on the other side. Ends first. And space out some slats from scrap. Kind of hard for you to see what I'm doing. Some sanding and decorating. And I think we have a